101.6 pounds. He has a record of 3 victories, 3 defeats, with one of his victory coming by way of knockout. From Negros Occidental, Reynald Condes. And he's the one across the ring. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing a white with yellow, official weight 124.6 pounds. He has a perfect professional record consisting of 3 victories, 2 by knockouts, and he is undefeated. Proudly representing Zip Boxing Gym of General Santos, ladies and gentlemen, David Santissima. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Don Arbrillas. Okay? Round number 1.
Oh, kapatid niya, Exxon yan na. Oh, Exxon sila. Manghod ng isa. Oh. 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 Oh! Woo! Oh! Budigat niya. Oh! Wala na! Wala na!